We're going to be harvesting wild onions today. They are everywhere in March. They are fresh, local, and they are just absolutely fantastic. You can just go ahead and take the scissors out and you can snip right at close to the ground as possible, just like this. And you can just take the husks off and you can smell it. Just smell of the onions. It is same family as allium and it looks just like chives. And you can sprinkle it on different kind of dishes. Or I like to go ahead and harvest the whole plant, including the bulbs. It's sweeter. I love putting in the soups because the whole plant just gives a just wonderful, wonderful flavor. And also the bulbs is packed with nutrients, just like onions or garlic. So I encourage you to go ahead and use the whole plant. Now in a hard clay soil, it's gonna be hard to dig everything out because wild onions, they really go deep into the ground and roots. So what I do is just take one of these and just dig deep and pull it out. And there they are, voila. They're just beautiful. And they smell just absolutely exquisite. So I'm going to be using these for miso soup today. Get out there and pick out your own because they're available everywhere, and take it home and use it as if they're normal regular chives or onions or garlic. It adds so much flavor to your dish, and it is nutrient-packed vegetable that you can find everywhere. Get some fresh air, go outside and harvest some wild onions, and go home and cook, cook, cook.